viewers can see the likes on the video. You will just see a like button. Now going to next, video elements. If you want to add an end screen where your logo appears at the last of the video, so people can know about your channel or subscribe to them. If they are new viewers, you can click import from video, choose the end part that you would want, the subscription button or the logo you want. Here you can see the model for that: one video and one subscribe, one video, one subscribe. So this is like in one of your videos. If you click this layout, then here your channel logo will appear with the subscribe button, and here one of your videos will appear, so that if viewers find that interesting, they can click on that easily, which might help grow your channel faster or get make your video popular. Similarly, you can add cards if you want to promote related content during your video. Click on add, and then it is very similar to the adding in the screen. Now going to the check. This portion checks the copyright issues that you might have in your uh, video. Here we will check your videos for the issues that may restrict this visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix before publishing. Copyright, here you can see no issues found. For example, let's say your video has been copyrighted claim, or you have used a copyright music on your video. This will show where the copyright music has been shown, and also it will give you the option to edit that out. You can edit it out by yourself, or the YouTube can remove the copyrighted music section as well. But it will take certain time, a little bit longer, but can be done very easily. You can mute the certain part of the music if you don't want the copyright as well. Similarly, it will notify you if your video can be published or not, or what type of copyright claim is on your video, if that is just to demonetize your view, or if that is to take down your video. You will get to know about here in 6. Now from here you can publish your video. You can Here you can see the different options for private, unlisted, and public. If you want everyone to watch your video, or you might want to keep your video private. Also sometimes when they have copyright claims or they have copyright content. For now I will doing it to public. Click on public. If you want to keep an instant premiere for your video, then click on premiere, so that your subscribers will be notified about the premiere when your video is about to get published. Scroll down here, you can schedule your date. If you want your viewers to be notified on the certain time that you